going to Mia's ballet. Back to ballet today. First day back to ballet for term 2. And yung gymnastics niya last week ata, Tuesday nag-start. Yeah, so parang 1 week lang sila off. Ang aga nila bumalik. Parang 1 week, yeah.
This is my favorite. Finally 2 hours. Yay!
2 hours takes a long time. So wala talaga akong magagawa sa 2 hours. Kailangan ko maghintay sa kanya doon sa
so
mall. So yun yung ginagawa ko pag gymnastics niya. Gala-gala kami ni Kai sa mall para malibang din si Kai. Kasi hindi talaga siya pwede magstay doon sa kanilang sa kanyang gymnastics, sa waiting area. Kasi gusto niya talaga maglakad-lakad.
People, do you know that I have no school?
Yeah, 31. 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah. But this Tuesday, next week, you're already back to school. So Tuesday na yung balik nila. Ang bilis lang, mag 2 weeks.
When is it gonna be next week? Wait, Tuesday?
So today is
I'm gonna go to
Saturday.
school.
Yeah, so Tuesday you're gonna go to school.
And I think Jessica's out.
When? We're not going to a play date anymore. Dapat punta kami dapat we were going on, that was Tuesday this week, but we didn't go because we were sick. Mommy's sick, you sick, Kai sick, everyone's sick in the house. So ayun, di kami nakapunta, guys. Di din ako nakapag-workout this week.
Mommy?
Oh.
But also, since we're not really sick anymore, then
Yeah, but Ate Cheska is already back to school.
it's okay.
We
I'll
will
tell
see.
you something.
We will see, okay?
Today?
No, not today. Today. Later we're going to Daddy's pool club.
Why?
Because Daddy wants us to go there. There's food.
Daddy's the best. Yay! Play pool
So ayun, every
day.
Saturday meron siyang ballet and
people,
gymnastics.
you know, I'm very good at pool. I went there before when I was 3 years old.
So, kaya lang malilate lang siya, guys, kasi start ng gymnastics niya is 11, tapos yung finish 11:30 ata. Yeah. Tapos yung finish ng ng ballet niya dito is 11:15. So, yung travel pa kasi papunta dun sa gymnastics niya, mga 20 minutes, guys. So, nalilate talaga siya sa every Saturday, which is okay naman, sabi ng owner dun. Okay naman lang, okay lang naman daw. And I'm trying to change her ballet schedule pag siguro mag term 3 na, i-change ko yung ballet schedule niya para hindi kami malilate dun sa gymnastics niya every every Saturday.
People, do you know that I know the months of the days? It's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Wow, good job.
And rest of it. I didn't even forget a single one. That's all.
Pina-practice siya talaga yun.
12 months.
Yeah.
Wait, but do you know that 20 plus 10 is 30?
Yeah, how did you know?
Because I use my brain.
Because
100 plus 2 is 102.
Nakarating na talaga siya sa 100. Oh, I should have just parked there.
100 plus 1 is 101.
Yeah. That's right. 20 degrees, pero mainit yung
20
sun.
degrees!
Mainit yung sun, guys. So, naka-long sleeve talaga ako na medyo makapal kasi ang lamig kaninang umaga. Tapos ngayon, parang Wala, nainitan na ako. Nainitan na talaga ako. Ah, this is, Andrea's car. Hala, parang super dikit tayo dyan. Let's reverse. Okay na to. We're here na! Alright, let's go, guys. I think I'll walk there later, Nia. Come on. I can walk here later, oh. Nandito na kami sa Forest. Yeah, Molly's just looking for donor. So, sweeping cream. Ito pala. Hello, people. We are back in the car. So, after ko i-drop si Mia kanina sa balay niya, pumunta lang ako ng Chemist Warehouse, may mga binili. And after nun, katabi nun is Padshed Asian Shop. So pumunta na lang din ako ng Asian Shop to buy some food.
Guys, do you know I know how to count in Filipino to 10.
Tagalog, yeah.
So I'll show you. It's isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu.
Sikat din talaga siya. So, tama-tama. After ko shop dun, na guys, balik ako agad sa ni Mia, ballet. And, yeah, nag-wait lang ako ng mga 3 minutes and then labas niya na kasi 11:15. Oy! Natatapos yung niya, ballet. And now,
9, 10.
now diretso kami. What happened? Diretso kami sa gymnastics.
There's no wall. Here, do you want some rubbish? Okay.
Give him more.
Take the rubbish. There's nothing in there.
At least wala tayong nasayang na oras.
Stop. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito,
You know,
walo,
sampu.
sampu.
You know when mommy's mad at you when you're taking so long? What does mommy count? Isa!
Isa! What?
Yeah, that's how I count. Every time. Pag hindi talaga siya nakikinig, guys. So, sabi ko.
Isa! 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 Isa!
Una-una yung kalmado ka pa, sinasabihan mo sinasabi.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo,
Yung
siyam.
una na like, Mia, can you get this? Or Mia, stop doing that. Hindi talaga siya pa nakikinig or
And siyam, sampu.
yeah. Yung mga ganyang boses. Pag doon ka na sa angry voice, doon na siya talaga nakikinig. Ay, what happened?
I'm opening it for you guys.
So sabi ko, pag nag-count ako, isa! Na siya agad. Pag nag-start na ako ng isa, alam niya na talaga na aakig na ako. Galit na si mami. O, isa, ari mo ho. Galit na ako. What is ari mo ho? Ari mo ho.
Ano mo?
I always say that. No, ari mo ho. Like I'm coming, like that.
Ano mo? I'm coming. Ano mo?
She's ready. Let's go inside. Come on, dali. Oh, let's go, guys! We're going to the mall! Nagwa-warm up pa sila. Medyo late na. Nagwa-warm up pa din sila. But, yeah. 15 minutes late si Mia all the time. Pag dinadrop ko siya every Saturday kasi half an hour talaga yung biyahe papunta dito. Siguro kasi traffic. Or maybe lang, 25 minutes. Kasi I have to... Let's go, let's go, let's go! Have you been crying? Antok na din to eh. Antok na din to. Antok na din yan ng baby ko. You want pizza? Let's go have pizza. Do you want pizza? Yeah, so we're gonna have lunch there. Last time meron silang pa-pizza dyan sa food court. So I got that. Masarap yung pizza nila kasi fresh. So yung maliit lang yung binili ko. And then maybe I'll order the big one para share kami ni Mia mamaya. Kaya lang hindi na mainit yun pag... Yeah, hindi na mainit. Kasi last time yung small yung binili ko guys. And naubos ko siya. Naubos namin ni Kai actually. So where are we going today? Just lakad-lakad lang sa mall. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. Walk-walk lang. Ha? Do you wanna walk-walk lang sa mall? Wala na talaga ako nung kailangan bilhin. Pero pag may nakasale, pag may nakitang sale, bili na naman. Kasi sayang din. Magamit pa ng mga hala. Ang bongga naman talaga. Traffic na to. Uy. Ang haba-haba. Sana dun ako tumaan sa kabila. It's okay, baby. We're moving, my love. We are moving. Bongga yung traffic, ha? Oh, it's very traffic. We can't do anything because it's traffic, my love. Oh, it's okay. We'll be there soon. We'll be there soon. Oh! Hello! Pasok na kami sa mall. Nakahanap din kami ng parking. Andun lang yung mall. Food court tayo una. Ha? Kay? Antok na to talaga. Tulog na ikaw, okay? Ala, inom lang siya ng inom. Ikaw na uminom yan. Ha? Gimamasam? Gimamasam? Garlic bread tsaka ham and cheese. Ayun na, bigay yung drink ko. Kaya, yung mama? Share mama? Mama too, mama? Thank you, hi. Sinisipon ka pa eh. Hindi ka talaga galing yan. Hello, Kaka! So, may playground kami. Pag pumupunta kami doon, umiiyak siya. Ha? Ayaw mo doon? Last time, enjoy na enjoy siya. Ngayon, ayaw niya na. Natakot siya baka iwan ni Mami. Takot ka baka iwan ni Mami? Ha? Bakit natakot? Naubos ko na yung pizza. Konti na yung kinain. What happened? Who's that? Who's that? Kai? Lakad-lakad tayo? Let's go, lakad-lakad tayo. Oh. Dito kami sa changing room. Oh, hi! Ito na yung pants. Dance siya kasi may music. Dance! Dance! Wag ka dyan. I know what you wanna do. may dalawang room dito for nursing. Padede. Ito yung toilet. Yung toilet nila merong pang bata at merong pang adult, which is really good! Yeah! Toilet lang ako. And kasyang-kasya yung pram dito. No. Tulog na siya, guys. Talaga naman, no, diba? Pinadede ko siya. So, we have 15 minutes to go around. Sayang, kasi kakatulog niya lang. Tapos, move na naman siya sa car seat. Baka magising. That's okay. Hindi naman siya matulog ulit. Sana matulog ulit. So, let's go around for 15 minutes. Nandito na tayo sa Target. And tingnan nyo, nandito ako sa mga fitted sheets. Ang cute! So, I got one of these, yung queen bed. Gusto ko actually maghanap ng panglalaki. Panglalaki na cover. Ito. Sheets. Ayan. Ito may gray sila. Ay. Ayoko nang may flat sheet kasi hindi ko siya ginagamit. Gusto ko yung ano lang talaga. Yung fitted sheet or may kasamang pillowcase. Ito. Ito. Ito green. Wait. Ano maganda? Blue? Maybe green. Kaya lang parang pangit. What? Okay naman siya. Yeah, actually okay naman to. 49. Mura lang din siya. Ito, ano to? Deep fitted sheet. Ito 50 cm. Yung amin 40 kasya na eh. Ayan, ito meron pa. Flat sheet nga lang to. Yes. Mas mahal dito. Umaabot siya ng 57. Kasi 600 thread count. Tapos Egyptian cotton. Hanggang ngayon, ang dami pa ding naka-sale, guys. Tingnan nyo to. Ang dami pa din. On the way to pick up ate. Gising si Kai, guys. Nung pabalik na kami sa car. So, gising siya ngayon. Ate Mia is back. Nothing. I didn't buy anything. That was before when I was waiting for you in your... Hi, put your seatbelt, we're going. When I was waiting for you in your ballet. Let's go. Ate Mia is back, guys. Nope. Oh, I have a drink, but there's no more left. And don't give it to Kai because he drinks so much.
Wait, what is that drink?
Lemonade.
I want lemonade. Hey, give me some.
There's no more.
I want. Give me. I know there is. Give me, mommy.
Right. Kai will see it. I told you.
No, mommy. I
You
promise.
can't drink. He's been coughing because he drank so many.
No, mommy. I promise. I won't let Kai see.
But there's not. You cannot drink because there's no more left.
I like the lemonade.
Like the lemonade. going, guys? We're going to... Parang mahapit.
Almost there, Kai. Almost
We're going
there.
to the pool club. He wants to give what PSAT. Give him the way first, Pia, without the chocolate. Without the chocolate. The other one. The other one, that one, without the chocolate. Yeah, give that to him. Humihingi siya ng pagkain kay Ate Mia kasi kumakain man si Ate Mia ng wafers, guys. Oh, diba? Humihingi siya ng pagkain. Pupunta kami ng pool club kasi kakain lang kami ng lamb. Alam mo yung parang nilelechon na lamb, yung laging in-order ni Daddy. Lamb na parang lechon. So, kakain lang kami ng ganun lang naman. Sasama kami kasi invited daw kami. I turned it off. Did you turn it off?
I'll get drunk. It's been a long time.
I thought you quit already.
That's what I said. It's been a long time.
Don't get drunk. Look at the lamb. Mia, move here. That's the lamb, guys. Malaki siya. Eee! The tagaluto. That's a lamb. You know what lamb is, Mia? You know what lamb is? No? Lamb. What is the lamb? Yeah. Oh. 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 Wow. Where did you learn that? Oh. Do. Wow. Okay, ma'am. Oh, do. Are you okay? Lalaro din daw siya. Oh. Oh, let's put it here. Up. Tingnan niyo sila ni ate, oh. Oh my God! Great job! Oh. Tingnan mo naman to. Kabakas man siya. Oh, wow! Ay, where's the ball? No, this way. You did? Oh, that's good. Go put in the mouth, okay? Say in your mouth. Give mama. Thank you. This one, that one over there. Kai, why are you up there? Kai.
Oh, look at this girl! Oh, shit!
Mia, no, don't let him throw it. Oh yeah, she's selling the veggies. Put it back! Uh-oh! Put it back. Oh. You're gonna be tired, Stella. You're gonna be tired chasing him. He will touch everything. Yeah. He's really fast. Dance, Kiki, dance. Look at them. Oh, so good, guys. Who's the black one?
Oh, Stella, you lost. Oh, thank you so much. It's okay. Oh. It's okay. Yeah, you see how you eat your brain. Thank you so much. Oh, that's funny.
Mia.
You're not too offended.
Mia, don't say that.
Even though it's right now.
Tulog na ang baby. Okay, so maghuhol lang ako before we end this vlog. Kanina pa kami nakauwi. But kasi tulog si Kai sa car, so I have to transfer him sa bed. And natulog naman siya.
And people ask, do you know how to count in Filipino? So it's
Kanina.
isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampo.
Kanina niya pa to binibida sa inyo ang kanyang pagka-count. Anyway, nasaan na si Kai? Go. Pero nagising man si Kai, guys, ng mga 9, nagising siya. So, nagdidi lang siya, inintay ko siya matulog. Hindi talaga siya natulog. Nagising talaga siya. So, akala ko matutulog siya ulit hanggang bukas na kasi. Hindi pala. Joke lang ang lahat. So, I've got some cute teas for Kai kasi pang, malamig. Meron naman siya doon, pero yung mga bigay sa kanya yun. So, eto, mura lang to guys. $6 lang to sa Target. Yung mga ganito nila. Yan. And then we have this t-shirt. So, I got size 2 para naisip ko. Kasi diba palamig na din. Pwede niya pa magamit next summer. So, size 2. Ang cute lang din ng, yung mga trend ngayon, na nanonotice nyo, puro stripes. No. Yung mga trend ngayon, stripes talaga. Stripe na naman to. So, long sleeve, and yeah, and din dito $6. Iba yung presyo nito. $8 to siya. So, ayan, cute lang. Ayan. And ito yung nasa $6 section. Ang ganda pa nga ng tela ng $6. Ito medyo makapal kasi ito. Ayan, makapal to siya. Ito manipis. And this is, ano ba yung tela nito guys? Tingnan natin. Made with Australian cotton. Ooh, Australian cotton daw siya, but made in Bangladesh. So, 100% Australian cotton. Ayan. Yan yung mga kulay na kinuha ko kay Kai. Ang cute-cute. And then, we have this. Nakita ko to. Nung una kong binili yung pants na brown na suot niya ngayon. That was, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Gusto ko din sana ito. Oh, na ano siya. What happened, Mia? Nadapa daw siya. Sabi ni Ate Mia, painumin muna natin to ng medicine. Nasira tuloy yung syringe. Kasi si Mia kinagat. Oh. Galing-galing ito mag-drink ng medicine eh. No. More. See, look. Oh, hindi niya nauubos. More. Kasi nasira na ni Ate Mia. Why did
I
you
still
bite
got
it?
medicine around in my face.
Gustong-gusto nito uminom ng medicine. No. Pubos na yung Nurofen na binili ko. Makailan lang. Sila kasi yung umiinom. Ano na ba yung kinikwento ko kanina? Yung pants? Yeah, hindi ko siya binili. So, ngayon binili ko na siya. Kasi sabi ko, parang wala si Kai masyadong pants na ganito. Yung suot niya lagi is yung blue na bigay din sa kanya. So, yun lang yung na-notice ko.
Mommy, can I eat the caramel
ko siya.
donut?
Yeah, it's up to you. Para maubos na yan. And, ito yung pinaka gusto ko. Wala kasi akong time mamili-mili kanina. So, ito na lang yung kinuha ko, guys. Naghahanap ako ng mga pang neutral colors sana. But, wala ka masyadong nagustuhan. Meron doon yung isa yung medyo mahal. Pero sabi ko, next time na lang yun. Pag kailangan na. Kasi meron na tayong extra ito. Nag-wave sa inyo si Kai. Hindi nyo siya nakita kasi nandito siya sa baba. Cute. Yan, we need to... Oh, nabunggo na naman siya. This is 100 Australian cotton. 100% Australian cotton din siya, guys. Have two pillowcases. Yung mga bili ko, guys, is without the flat sheet. Kasi hindi ko siya kailangan. What I've got here is the two pillowcases and fitted sheet lang talaga. So, pag, naghahanap kayo ng ganun lang yung bili nyo. Kasi, pricey din siya. So, this one is $45, which is very good na.
Pretty. Do you want some of the
So, tinitingnan ko kung gaano siya kahaba. I mean, yung sa 40 cm daw eh. Pero, sa pagkakaalam ko, yung 40 cm is kasyang-kasya na sa aming... Nakita nyo na ba, guys? Ayun.
I think I want it.
Wala, cute lang. Yung gingham na brown, hindi ko nga ginagamit masyado. Binili natin na gingham. Oh no! We need to wash this. Hala, yun yung nakalimutan ko. Yung iron.
Uy,
Hambal ko
gusto mo na gali, gusto ya, ha?